My father was born in a town in Russia, now Ukraine, by the name of Kovel in 1910. His father died quite young. He was 44, and apparently died from typhoid fever, whatever that was at the time. And the person that actually took over the running of the family was his older brother. By age 19, around 1929, two of his brothers already had come to Mexico. One of them was running from the army. Actually, he had been in prison and was slated to be executed for crimes that I'm not totally clear what they were. And they managed to somehow bribe one of the jailers. He escaped, went to Mexico, established a factory of socks. Boyfort was the name of the factory. And then his older brother came in, Gersh, and then my father got there in about 1929 at the age of 19. And of course he stayed in Mexico.